Once in a quaint suburb of Cleveland, four friends, Emma, Noah, Mia, and Lucas, reveled in the magic of seasonal changes, each season bringing its own adventure and charm. In spring, the neighborhood buzzed with life. The four friends would race down blooming streets on their bikes, the air perfumed with fresh blossoms. They splashed in puddles from April showers, giggling as raindrops tickled their faces. Emma loved to spot robins. She said they were heralds of spring. Summer days were long and golden. The quartet camped out in their backyard fortress, built from OL.D blankets and dreams. With lemonade stands during the day and firefly chasing at twilight, they savored the warmth. Mia always organized the annual Summer Olympic Games for the kids on their block, featuring sack races and water balloon fights. Autumn brought a symphony of rustling leaves and crisp air. Lucas loved the way the leaves carpeted their favorite park in an explosion of golds, oranges, and reds. They would have leaf piling contests and make giant leaf forts, only to jump in and scatter their hard work to the wind, laughing all the while. Winter transformed their world into a snowy wonderland. School snow days were the best, filled with epic snowball fights and sledding down the neighborhood's biggest hill. Noah took charge during snowman contests, always insisting on a carrot for the nose and his dad's old scarf to wrap around its neck. With each season, the friends grew a little taller, their bonds a little stronger. They learned the art of sharing moments and appreciating the unique beauty of each season, together. Seasons changed, as did they, but the joy of each season stayed forever cherished in their hearts.